Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need the Teams app or a modern browser and an image ready. This speeds setup. First, open Teams and sign in, then click your profile avatar at top right to access settings. Once done, go to Devices to confirm your camera works and permissions are enabled. This prevents failures during the final step. Make sure your lighting is decent so the background replacement looks natural, and keep the image file in an easier-to-find folder for the next actions. When you hit Join for Meeting, use the Pre-Join Camera preview to select background filters. This is where you act. Click Background Effects, pick a built-in option, or add new to upload your prepared image, and watch the preview to confirm crop and framing. Once selected, apply the background and verify your face isn't cut off. Adjust camera angle if necessary. This approach avoids changing settings mid-meeting and ensures your background is applied as you enter. If you need to change during the call, click More Actions, then show Background Effects and pick a new image. This updates live without leaving the meeting. Make sure to use simpler images if your CPU struggles, because heavy textures can cause stutter or artifacts. If the background won't apply, restart Teams, check camera drivers, or disable other camera-using apps. This usually resolves permission or resource conflicts. Finally, test one more time to confirm the replacement looks natural on camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.